All right, today we're doing something a little different. Actually, today we're not programming keys or making keys. Actually, today we're going to do a Mercedes ignition lock rebuild. We're going to try to repair this lock. This was going to be a 2004 Mercedes SLK320. Right now, they send the lock key stop working in the lock. It's not turning no more. Well, it's stuck. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart, investigate what's going on. See if I can rebuild it. I have new locks on the shelf, so if I have to, I'll just switch out the whole thing and rebuild it back to the old keys. Now, I know a lot of y'all say things like, "Oh, I'll change the ignition lock." Here's a couple things wrong with that plan you have. This person has two keys. Right now, these keys work the ignition doors. You change this ignition lock, now you're walking around with two different keys, because now you got a separate key for the ignition, separate key for your doors. And then you're going to have to do something about that chip. As far as either getting some new keys programmed to the car or getting somebody that can read data from your old keys, whatever. You're going to have to get it running, because once you change that ignition, guess what? These keys don't work no more. So that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit.